Vandana here. So very important topic, what is an investment and what is an expense? And you will also come to learn that money loves speed. Write down in the comment box, money loves speed. Okay. So let's get started. All right. So I was very deeply and profoundly impacted when I heard this story of Thyrocare MD Velu Mani. Okay, so it was like he took such a powerful decision within hours of discussion. So what happened was he was presented with a new machine, which enables diabetes diagnostic faster, and he decided to buy that machine, which costed him 18 crores. 18 crores within 1 hour of discussion, right? So his son, Velumani's son, was also present in the meeting, and after the meeting was over, he came to Velumani and said, "Appa, you took decision to spend 18 crores in just 1 hour. I want to buy a car worth 18 lakhs for last 3 months, and you are not taking decision to help me buy that car for last 3 months." So Velumani smiled and said to him, "This machine is an investment and your car is an expense." So what is the learning here for business owners? What is the learning here? See, once you have clarity on what is an investment in your business and what is an expense in your business, decision making becomes amazingly simple and powerful. Do you agree? If you agree, write in the comment box, I agree. Okay. So I have seen in my life across many workshops that I have conducted or participated that people fear taking decisions. And that is one of the biggest growth blocker. Okay. So as a business owner, as a business owner, entrepreneur, delayed decisions either becomes a lost opportunity or losing edge over competition, or losing your pace in the business. And as a result, loss of sales, loss of revenue, and business is just surviving. This happens over a period of time, but these are not being able to take powerful decisions on time is a big growth blocker for business owners, right? So why business owners are unable to make those fast decisions, or just anybody, if even you're not a business owner, you are listening to this video, watching this video, why are people not able to make faster decisions? I think that's one of the, I mean, this is one of the fears of taking decisions, one of the biggest fear people have. People don't want to take decisions, and that surprises me actually. So some of the reasons, why business owners are unable to make fast decisions could be prior experience in life where decision proved to be a bad decision, and failures caused due to not thinking properly before making a decision, right? Or it could be fear of loss of money due to past decisions, or it could be wrong choices made, right, which you realize later, right? So one thing I learned from my spiritual guru was never regret your past decisions on today's maturity. Never regret your past decision based on today's maturity. Okay, that's a very powerful and deep stuff. All right, it had to flow, so it just came in. We'll continue with our topic, right? So whatever the reason, okay, it's very important to have a decision making framework, okay, which will give you clarity when you take out money from your pocket. Okay, it's very important to take fast decisions, and knowing this, what I'm going to share with you will empower you to will give you that clarity and empower you to take faster decisions. So the right question that you can ask as a business owner is this an expense or an investment? Okay, so whenever you're taking out money from your pocket, the first question that you can ask yourself is this an expense or an investment? right? So it is particularly important to ask this question, as it will empower you to make wise choices, and you can become an enlightened entrepreneur gradually. Okay? So when people make when people must make a choice between two options, rarely people look at long term benefits or intangible outcomes. Okay, the orientation is always towards short term and what is tangible. Okay, so this is a great mindset shift that is needed, irrespective of whether you are taking a business decision or a life decision. All right, I'll explain you with examples. So let's take an example, right? So see, I see people spending 1 lakh rupees on a small vacation. Okay, which is a very tangible outcome. There's okay, it is, it is good to take decisions, I'm not debating that. It's a fun time, family time. Maybe you're working hard only for vacation, but the point I'm trying to make is, you have limited money and you have a choice to make, right? So you it is easier for people to spend money on a vacation rather than taking the gym membership, annual gym membership, which is 25,000 annually, whatever, depends. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make here is that people look at the tangible outcome and spend, versus it is easier to overlook the intangible outcome, and people, and delay decision making there. So see, when you take gym membership, you will become more fitter, more stronger, so that you can overcome any hardships in life, right? It requires some effort to be put in as well, right? So vacation is simpler. All you have to do is pack stuff, get into the car and go and have fun, right? But going to gym and working out is tough, and the results come much later. So which is a and the kind of what do you say, benefits you derive out of making yourself fitter is intangible. There are many thousands of benefits of working out, but it's intangible, it's not visible, right? So that's where I see people making quick decisions to go for a small vacation, but not taking decision to take gym membership because they think it's costly, right? So I also see people spending huge amount of money on fancy cars. Okay, but will keep delaying decisions to attend high class trainings or workshops, which can accelerate or give quantum leap to their business, just because it is too costly, right? Again, the outcome of a training program is intangible, right? Because the mindset shift that happened, what the insight you get, how do you find out what is the ROI of that insight that you got and you applied in your business, right? Monetary wise, how will you come up with that, right? I applied this insight and I got 10x growth. Okay, so because the growth will keep happening because of that insight, because your mindset shift has happened, you have moved to next level in your maturity, and because of that you are taking much more better decisions, and doing better things, got new opportunity. It's very difficult to calculate how much you received because of the training program, but it is very easy to see the fancy car in your parking, right? So the point here is that, again, right? So though the training is an investment and that fancy car is an expense, right? It is easier to take the decision of buying a fancy car and delayed decision on signing up for a high class training program or workshop, right? I do understand for some people having these fancy high end cars is an investment because they use it as a marketing tool, as a status symbol. That's perfectly fine, right? Great, there's nothing wrong about it. You have, all I'm saying is, you've taken a well informed decision. That's absolutely fine, there's nothing wrong about it, right? So I also see people paying spending huge amount of money on partying and junk food. Okay, and this is an expense, and a further expense, and a further expense, because this lifestyle leads to hospitalization expenses, right? Later in your life, right? So but I see people not making decision to buy organic food, healthier food, because they are 40% 30% more expensive than the regular food, right? So the decision to spend money on partying is faster than the decision to investing money in organic food, right? So I agree, everything that I said is debatable here. I know a lot of things are going on within you, and everything I said is debatable. But the point here is we are not discussing what's right or what's wrong. Whatever works for you. The point that I am discussing here is consciously having an orientation on when you are taking money out of your pocket and when you have to take decisions, whether it is an expense or an investment, that should be on top of your mind, because that will empower you to take smart, powerful decisions faster. All right.